Officer Carl, can you help us?
What? Oh, no. I was just practicing my superhero voice. Sounded good, right?
It sounded great, but our toy is stuck on top of Mr. Higgins' store.
Oh, this is the perfect time to use a superhero voice. Never fear, citizens. I shall retrieve your throwing disc. Look both ways. And go.
Woohoo!
Hooray!
Amazing!
Here you go.
Thank you, Officer Carl.
All in a day's work, young citizens. Woohoo! Woo! Oh. Oh no, my lunch. Sandwich, good. Yogurt, good. Slice of blueberry pie. No! Squished!
Officer Carl, how about we make you a new pie for pudding to thank you for helping us?
Really? Hooray! My lunch break starts in a little while. Can you be back soon?
No problem. Pie coming up.
Bye, kids.
Say hello to Rusty's automatic pie maker. You put ingredients in and pie comes out. Bits, grab the ingredients.
We only need a tiny amount to make one pie.
Stop!
Oh no! That was enough ingredients to make 100 pies!
The machine is overloaded! Everyone get back! It's going to blow! That's amazing! But it's much too big for Officer Carl's lunch. We need to make a smaller one.
We can't. We're out of ingredients.
Well, then, let's hope Officer Carl is really hungry.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.